I don't know if you can see, but it's like a beautiful misty day. I mean, it's not a great day, it's back to being cold and wet, but a beautiful misty type of day out here in the bush. I came into Meryla State Forest to try out the various mounts I put on yesterday. One of the closest areas to my house where you can go forward driving. It's very wet though, as you can see. You've got a mini river running up the track there. And I've reached Morton National Park, and as I've got Anton with me, I'm going to turn around and go back into Meryla State Forest. See how we go. So this is Meryla Fire Trail, and there's the view from the GoPro. I'll just leave it there while I go up this bumpy bit and we'll see how it goes. So I just had a little half-day trip to Meryla State Forest, check out my GoPro mounts, and then after all that I forgot the flexible gooseneck, so I couldn't use the internal ones. Anyway, I tried it on the roof. I brought the little tripod legs, so I had the GoPro on the tripod legs as well. Meryla State Forest, when it's raining, it's very, very muddy, clay, so it's pretty good fun actually. Maybe not ideal on your own. And basically the whole place is really muddy because we've had torrential rain all day. But anyway, I wanted to give it a try, and I've done that, and when I get home I'll have a look and see how it turned out. And I'll show you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.